We are going to learn how to use Excel. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to click on the green Microsoft Excel icon on your bottom dock. It'll take a moment to open, and we are going to be typing in some information about books that people chose to read today off of Storyline Online. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to give our two names, and we're going to do book, number of people. So hopefully Excel will open. Okay. Okay, now Excel has opened, so we are going to click 1A, and we are going name of book. Name of book. Of course, I'm getting the spinny ball. Name of book. And then I'm going to click on B1, and I'm going to do number of people. And I'm going to use the pound sign. So I'm going to hold down Shift and do the number 3. People. I don't know if I said book or not. So number of people. Then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to list the 5 books. So we have Brave, Irene. I'm going to click on the one below it, and you saw it went to the plus sign when I did that. The night I followed the dog. I click down on number 4. Any pie. And number 5, me and my cat. With the question mark, I have to push Shift and then the question. And then we are also going to do I need my monster. Now if you look, these things aren't within the lines. So I'm going to go up top here, and you see how I get the sign? And I'm going to drag that line over. I'm clicking on my mouse and holding down until it's on the other side of the G. And it moved everything over. And then we are going to, excuse me, in class, figure out which stories people read. So your numbers are probably going to be different than mine, but I'm just doing this for the sake of what I think. Okay, I do that. Now I'm going to click up here on the top on the one that says charts. Okay, and I want a column chart. Then I'm going to click on this 4th one here. I'm going to double click on it. Double click on it, not just single click. And it's going to take my information and turn it into a graph. Hopefully. Okay, I'm going to pause it and figure this out. Okay, I figured out what I had done wrong. I have to highlight all this information. So I'm going to click so I get the plus sign. I'm going to hold down, and I'm going to drag. Okay, anytime I make a mistake, I can always go up to the yellow undo button. So now that everything's highlighted, I'm going to click the 4th graph, and it gave me a graph. If you see, it shows me the number of people and the names of my books. Only thing up here is that it says number of people, and that's not the title I want. So I'm going to click in there, and I'm going to delete. And I'm going to call this book choice. And that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go to File and Save. And I'm going to save it with my name in the documents. Okay, so it says Workbook 1 here, and this is already highlighted, so that means I can just start typing. So I'm going to say Corbin. You're not going to say Corbin. You're going to write your name. Then I'm going to click on Save. And I'm all done. You've just made your first Excel file. Awesome job.